Hey everyone, welcome back to Idea Electro. Today we are diving into a super handy iPhone feature that's a total game changer when it comes to reading tiny text or checking out small details, the magnifier. Whether you are having trouble reading tiny text on a level or just really enjoying checking out the small details of your new tech gadget, this tool can help. In this video, I will show you how to enable the magnifier on your iPhone and walk you through its powerful feature step by step. Let's jump in. Alright, to access the magnifier quickly whenever you need it, let's first add it to your control center. Here's how. Swipe down on your iPhone to open the control center. On old iPhone, swipe up the button of the screen instead. Tap and hold any empty space in the control center, then tap Add a control. In the search bar, type Magnifier. When it appears, add it to your control center. And that's it. The magnifier is now just a swipe away. To open the magnifier anytime, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Tap the magnifier icon. It's look like small magnifying glass. Boom! Your phone just turned into a digital magnifying glass. Now let's check out what you can actually do with it. Here's a quick tour of its best feature. Zoom in or out. Use the slider at the bottom of the screen to adjust the zoom level. Capture a still image, tap the shutter button to freeze a frame. Tap the sun icon to adjust the brightness. Tap the half moon icon to adjust contrast. Apply filter, tap the filter icon. 3 overlapping circle to choose filter like grayscale, red and black, yellow and black, and more. Great for different visual needs. Turn on the flashlight. Tap the flashlight icon for extra lightning. And if you want more control over flashlight, tap and hold the flashlight icon to reveal the intensity slider. So let's think why you should use the magnifier. The magnifier isn't just for those with vision difficulties. It's a super versatile tool for reading small print on medicine bottles, receipt or labels, inspecting electronics, jewelry or tiny crafts, enhancing visibility in low light condition, using filter to assist with color blindness or contrast sensitivity. You are now a pro at using the iPhone magnifier to zoom in on life's little details. Whether it's reading fine print or closely inspecting something, this tool is seriously underrated. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech tips from Idea Electro. And let me know in the comment how you use the magnifier. Catch you in next video. Stay curious and keep exploring.